how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. So if you want to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account, then first you just need to open up your Binance. You can go with the application or you can go with the browser. So you can simply search for Binance and make sure to log into your Binance. Once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the trade option, which is here on the upper left, and go with the P2P option. And once you're here, under the P2P section, you just need to simply go with the sell. And once you're here on the sell, now you need to choose all of these options. So here you need to enter the transaction amount, which is, for example, I'll be choosing 100, and then go with all payments, and then you need to choose a payment. So for example, I'll be choosing payer, and then you can go with region. You can choose all regions or a particular region. And then here on the right side, you will have the sell USDT option. So you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with, and you can simply click on sell USDT. For example, I'll be choosing the first one. Click on sell USDT, and here you need to enter the amount that you would like to sell. So for example, I'll be choosing 100 or 1,000 or something like that. So in my case, I don't have the sufficient balance, but if you have the sufficient balance, then you just need to simply enter the balance, and then here you will receive this much. And you need to set your payment method. So go and set your payment method. And once you've set, here you will have sell USDT option. Simply click on it and you will be able to sell that. And that's how you can withdraw USDT from Binance to your bank account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.